Good morning everyone. My name is Ashna. I'm from 10B, Delhi School of Excellence, Attapur. And during these class 10 CBSE results, I got 490 out of 500, which rounds off to 98%. First of all, I'd like to thank all the teachers, management, faculty who had taught me all throughout these years. I am very thankful for all the effort they had put in, which motivated me to do well. I'm also thankful for my parents, my family, because they never put like high expectations or pressure. They just said do the best that you can and we'll be happy with it, and I felt like I did the best that I could. When it comes to exam preparation, I think that it's important to stick to your own routine. What works for me doesn't work for everybody else, but I think that hard work will definitely get you there. Math is all about practice, 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 practice. Whatever your teachers send you, sample papers, keep doing them, especially before the exam. And science is conceptual understanding. Learn the basic concept, apply it. It's as simple as that. If you get confused, you're bound to get confused, but still, just keep it simple, keep the preparation short, take breaks. As for social, I think the number one thing that helped me the most was that I taught my friends, because they always had doubts in social, and teaching them was revision for them as well as me. So by helping people, you can help yourself as well. So just keep that in mind. For languages, whatever your teacher says is like very, very important. All the notes that they give during class, like the author meant this, the poet meant that, make note of it somewhere in the textbook, in your notebook. It's gonna help a lot, especially in those extracts. And I think the rest is up to how much effort you put in, as long as you try hard. And that doesn't mean just keep studying. You can always take breaks. Don't feel guilty about taking breaks. I always felt like that, but it's really not supposed to be that way. And studying during holidays, I don't think it's possible for any student to study during holidays when you could be out enjoying, but try to at least fit in an hour, especially during the winter vacation before the exams. Results, I'm very happy with my results. I think that I did better than I thought I could, and I didn't want to see my marks until like May 20th, like CBSE announced, but I guess it's a good thing that they came out earlier. I was jumping and screaming, so I think that do your best, be your best, and sleep. I think just sleep and be happy, and whatever happens, happens. It is what it is. Thank you.